Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6, right arrow functions with parameters. Just like a regular function, you can pass arguments into an arrow function. Here is an example, doubles input value and return it. So a constant doubler is declared where item parameter is passed inside a function and inside rather than body in block, it is an inline body where whatever the parameter is passed will be multiplied with 2. So if we pass doubler in doubler function 4, it will return 8. If an arrow function has a single parameter, the parenthesis enclosing the parameter may be omitted. So in this case, we can see the parameter is passed without parenthesis. In case of single parameter, we can do that. It is possible to pass more than one argument into an arrow function. And we can also pass multiple arguments like this: item, comma, multi, or if there are more than comma afterward, the parameter name. It would look like something like this. Let's see the task for this challenge. Rewrite the myConcat function which appends contents of ARR2 to ARR1 so that the function uses arrow function syntax. Okay, we have to do similar to this. So let's use first I am turning whole thing into comment and using const my concat equal to, since there are two parameter, so we will pass something like this: arr1 inside parenthesis we are passing the two parameters arr2, and afterward we will use arrow function. And since we are writing the body in one line, so no need to form a block. So arr1 dot concat arr2, right? Rewrite the myConcat function which appends arr2 to arr1 so that the function uses arrow function syntax. So we got the desired result. So let's run the test. Okay, it is not checking for comments. If even if I have commented the code, it still gives error. So let's remove totally and run the test. And it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.